Welcome to Optegra Clinic Colchester, where we offer NHS cataract surgery within 4 to 6 weeks of referral. We have amazing on-site parking for all of our patients, so let me show you around. We'll welcome you to our reception, where our team will ask you to fill out a form with some of your details. You'll then be taken to one of our consultation rooms, where the healthcare technician will complete your eye test. Next, you'll be seen by our optometrist, who will check your eye health and talk you through your treatment options. On the day of your procedure, the team will bring you to the ward, where they'll complete some consent forms and administer some eye drops ahead of your procedure. This will take place here in the theatre, a short procedure with no pain and no discomfort. You'll then be returned to the ward, where you'll be provided with the information on the eye drops you'll take home with you and a chance to relax before you leave. We look forward to welcoming you to Optegra Colchester.